Universal Music Group. It is down 25% in Amsterdam, its steepest decline since going public in 2021. So remember, Universal is the music label behind Taylor Swift, Lady Gaga, Bad Bunny, as Tom, you like to refer to him. And the problem is revenue from subscriptions and streaming disappointed. So those are two key metrics that they focus
Paul,
on.
Is it also about copyright? They're buying up all the copyrights and all that stuff, and it's just not working out? Is that part of the discussion?
I don't know. I think the big thing here is just, what saved the music industry is all these streaming services and subscription services. That saved the music industry and reversed almost a 30-year decline in revenue. But that just slowed a little bit.
I'm ignorant. On Spotify, on Apple Music, I use Tidal. It sounds better, period. But on all of those, does anybody make any money?
The artists certainly don't. That I know. A lot of these artists, especially independent artists, don't. It's tough out there.
So, but these streaming services do in a big way, and the music labels that own it all, they do because they own the rights and all that kind of stuff. But it just grew at 16% versus 19%. Why you take off 25% of the value?
I don't know. It feels a little overdone, but I got to tell you, the stock is already down 40% over the past 12 months, so it's piling on today. Remember, 2 months ago, they rejected the takeover bid from Bill Ackman.
It's tough.
Pershing Square wanted to buy them for $65 billion.
Interesting.
These companies don't really
that was
need to
just
be
too
public.
much. Next.
Roblox. I have to say, I've never played it. I gather you guys have not?
No.
Okay, but my kids have.
Okay.
And so I've seen it. But the stock is down 20% today, down 40% year to date. Not often we have two stocks back to back, down 40% year to date. This is the video game company. Second quarter results disappointed on key metrics, including users and hours engaged. Boy, if you don't have those two working for you, I don't know. It also gave a forecast for both bookings and revenue that was weaker than expected. So they are looking for their next big game. There were
Are
hits.
they like Minecraft?
Exactly. Yeah. Some people say kids say, you know what, they got into architecture because of like spending time on Roblox. And so maybe there's an educational component here.
I'm still throwing Minecraft stuff out. I mean,
I don't know.
Like 8 years ago, it was all the rage. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Do you have another one?
I do.
Yes.
Reddit. We all know it. We've read it. Maybe we haven't been on it. Like we don't like write on it.
I have it on my phone now.
I do. You know
I'm
what?
starting to use it because all the
you do.
kids, the Bloomberg News reporters will come in here and shame me that I'm not using it. So what I found is I use it to kind of get gossip as opposed to news or information.
True. Right.
So I'll type in one of my schools or something and just to see what people are
Or get
saying
a
about
feel
it.
for like what the zeitgeist is saying about it, right?
Yes.
Like sort of the vibe about it. So.
Right.
Well, the vibe today is not good because shares of Reddit are down 10%. The company's U.S. daily active users, which I guess include you, Paul, but they came in below expectations. Right. That offset a strong third quarter forecast. It also did not announce new data licensing agreements, and Wall Street was really hoping for this. Remember, Bloomberg recently reported that Reddit was going to explore a new potential deal with Google. But they didn't announce that today, and that was a disappointment. So they're saying, Wall Street's saying, look, Reddit needs to make these licensing agreements because of AI and how AI is going to change, what it does day in and day out.
The first 7 or 8 stories on the Bloomberg News scroll for Reddit are downgrades of price targets all across Wall Street. So there you go.
There you go. Yep. Okay, I like that.
So there you go. I mean, I'm
Coinbase,
using it. I thought the stock would have popped.
I don't get it. I've
about
looked
Reddit.
At it. I tried. Yeah, it's in my feed.
All right.
It's in my email feed, and I just simply, I'm because I'm a fossil. I just don't get it. It's for the kids.
You're our fossil. Wait, I said it, and somebody's going to say, why'd she say it? Coinbase down 5%, crypto exchange, revenue for the second quarter missing estimates. And a lot of it's because of, look what crypto's been doing lately.